Hey, welcome back to Sweat Equity. We are back. And after a long, hard winter that seemed like it would never end, we're finally able to get back into the groove and post some content for all of you. Unfortunately, during the winter time, a lot was going on. Things got too busy. I'm not a full-time content creator, so unfortunately, I was not able to post updates on everything that was going on. I did do some things over the winter with regards to equipment and some different projects. I tried not to do too much to where it would be missed by posting videos and stuff like that. I didn't want to get too far ahead and have to go back and try to explain what all was done. But I did do some things. I will post on here about it. This video's purpose is to just bring you up to date on what the project list is going to be and a couple of those things that you missed over the winter. Some of the updates are the dump truck is about 99% done. We've got paint done, lights done, wheels done, and I'm going to feature that in a video, but I'll throw you just a couple pictures here. One of the big goals was to have the dump truck pull the skid steer on its trailer, so everything has been reconfigured to make that happen. So after the last video that left off with the backup cameras that had been mounted and some of those things moving forward, we were able to wrap it all up and get that project done to where it was functioning with the skid steer and trailer. So we put that to use. A couple other things that have happened. The skid steer has had some major work done. Some of the irritating issues with the skid steer were handled as far as had some leaking axles from the chain case, things like that. So it no longer has any leaks. I've got some projects that we're going to film for this channel coming up. We've got a couple things to handle on the skid steer, including a fuel sender, voltage indicator, and that is going to just about wrap it up. And to wrap up that project, we are going to touch up that awesome paint job that we did. I put that machine through hell and work, and now that I've got new pins and bushings and we've got all the leaks taken care of, and I'm going to tidy up the fuel issue with the fuel gauge, fuel sending unit, and the voltage indicator that I just told you guys about, it deserves another paint job. So we're just going to touch up the paint that we already did. As you guys can see, we're repping Bi-Script Garage here. I need to print up some of my own merch so that I can rep some of my stuff on my channel, but I'm definitely out there supporting these channels. The way you can support my channel is to just like, subscribe if you are liking these videos, and give us a thumbs up when you have the chance. Above and beyond the skid steer and the dump truck, we've got a couple new pieces of equipment, I'll call it that, but really attachments. So I grabbed some new attachments for the skid steer. Not going to tell you what they are, but you will see them on the skid steer update video. I'm not sure if I'm going to combine those into one video with the dump truck and skid steer or two. Probably better to split them into two so that I don't have to rush through each one of those things. So moving on from those, I put the Zebra tractor, which is the tractor loader I have that I keep a 6-way blade on the back. I put it through hell over the winter and into the spring this year. And it did it, but it needs some love. So one of our big videos is going to be cleaning that up. I'm going to do a full service on that 3-cylinder diesel engine. We're going to do the rear axles on the diff fluids. We're gonna address that, and then we're gonna grease the whole machine. I've got to either put a new radiator in or figure out a way to mount securely the one it's got. The radiator fan blades keep scraping the radiator, so I want to stop that before it damages the fins too much. And then we need a new radiator hose. After that, we're about finished up on that tractor, so we may give it a paint job. The only other wild idea I have for that is, I don't know, should we add a turbo to that 3-cylinder old diesel engine? It's got great compression, no blow by. I've been tempted. I think that there's the potential with that machine to do it, and it'd be fun and it'd be cool. So let me know if you think, put in a comment down below. Do you think we should add a turbo on it? If we do, you'll be there with me every step of the way. Other than that, I've got a smaller project that I've got the parts for, the John Deere Zero Turn. You've seen a lot on that. I have a quick video I'm gonna do, quick and dirty video on that. I've got some cool new LED lights for headlights and then a rear indicator brake type light to put on the back. I've got factory John Deere switches to incorporate into that blank spot that I have on my switch panel. So we're gonna knock that out in a short video. And then last, but definitely not least, the Camaro. I've got a couple updates on the Camaro. One being, we're going to address all the rotten old trim pieces on the windows. We're going to get that fixed up. We are going to add in our new shocks and suspension to the vehicle. And last but not least, the sad, tired, old, but very good sounding 305 is going. We're going to drop in an engine. Now here's the other controversy, an issue that I'm having with that. Do we go to another small block or do we pump it up to an LS? Everybody wants the LS. Everyone's doing the LS swaps in those. I think it's cool. I think it's a quick way to get some fast, instant horsepower that's pretty reliable. But there's also something kind of cool and romantic about the old carbureted small block Chevy engine. So help me make a decision on that. I think I'm leaning one way already. But see if you can't give me some guidance on what you guys think on that. I'd be happy to hear your opinion on it. And we'll go with popular votes. So what everybody wants to see is what we will do. And we will help you be able to see every part of that through our videos. Other than that, I'm sure there's other stuff I'm forgetting. I've got a lot of irons in the fire right now, but we're still having fun, working on equipment, doing it as cheap as possible, and making it all happen through some hard work and sweat equity. As always, thanks for watching our videos. I'm going to throw some videos, some pictures, some clips that were mixed into this video and a couple here at the end for you guys to check out just to see a little bit about what's to come. Stay tuned. I'll be posting a video after this one